So, hey guys, I'm gonna show you some diamond, how to make some diamond machine. So first we will get some shell block of diamond here, and count these up to 3, and you're stupid. The next, you will make a block of diamond again here. The next part is you will get some Spencer, 3D Spencer. You will make 3D Spencer here. So that's the 3D Spencer. So next you will cover the dispenser up to 2 blocks and have some sharp wire. Three sharp wire there. So next we will get some redstone, so the redstone can be. So next you will get some string there. That's too easy, and the last one is you will get some diamond there. So we will get some diamond again there, so we can cover it again. We will cover that. So the cover will make that cover again. See this pencil there. So that's the diamond machine. We will make some lights. Make some things there. We will make item frame and one diamond there. Make something. So there's a diamond. Let's try. Make some diamond there. So it will push it down. The trick is the track right there, and the rhinestone is there. So the dispenser come out, and when you push that, it will push down and light the redstone and go to dispenser, and the and the and the and the things of dispenser is diamond. So if you push that, it comes the diamond. It's just pretty simple. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Don't forget to like this. Don't forget to like that and leave a comment, so I will make that. So